Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular platforms for virtual meetings and recordings, Riverside and Zoom. Let's get started. First up is Riverside. Riverside is specifically designed for high quality remote recording. It's ideal for podcasting, video creators, and professionals looking to produce top notch content. One of Riverside's standout features is its ability to record each participant in local audio and video quality, meaning even if your internet connection is spotty, you'll still get crystal clear recordings. Plus, Riverside offers features like multi-camera support, screen sharing, and ability to create clips and highlights directly in the platform. However, it's important to note that Riverside is primarily focused on recording, so if you need extensive live meeting features, it might not have everything you're looking for. Now let's talk about Zoom. Zoom is a well-known platform for video conferencing, making it perfect for meetings, webinars, and virtual events. It offers a user-friendly interface and a host of features including screen sharing, breakout rooms, and recording options. Zoom's strengths lie in its collaboration tools, making it great for team meetings and larger gatherings. However, while Zoom does offer recording capabilities, the video and audio quality may not match the high standards of Riverside, especially if you're looking for professional grade content. So, which platform is more worth it? If you're focused on creating high quality, professional content for podcasts or videos, Riverside is definitely the better choice. But if you need a robust platform for live meetings and collaborations with extensive features, Zoom may be the more practical option.